Bambi goes through the drive-thru at Wendy's and things go left.
Man, I love black people so much. I'm at Wendy's and I'm talking to the guy through the speaker and he's just being ratchet as hell. And when I came around, I kind of had an attitude at first, and then I really couldn't do nothing but laugh because he kept his same ratchet energy. Here we go, right here. Here you go.
Going gay.
Wendy's.
Yeah, sure.
Follow me on Instagram at Cash with the motherfucking ass 22. Now for real.
You talking about I'm ghetto.
Y'all are funny.
I'm ghetto.
I'm gonna take a picture with you.
Okay.
You talking about I'm ghetto. 1, 2,
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
You got it. All right, y'all have a good day. Yeah, you are. Y'all have a good day. Thank y'all.
Okay, thank you.
Next is Breland. His extra effort and helping hand. He's always given a helping hand to teachers and peers. He's been awarded for the honor roll, his outstanding academic achievement, and for persevering in Japanese. Way to go, Breland.
Cut it out. Jeez.
Daddy's gonna make me some spice for me.
Congratulations, Bree. That boy graduated today. You dig?
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.